是咁的，我同 Natalie 為咗了解呢個愛沙尼亞嘅美食文化，喺愛沙尼亞嘅超市買咗兩個傳統甜品，用 drum wheat flour 整嘅，一個叫 Manava， 另外呢個就叫好似係曲奇忌廉味嘅，唔知乜嘢，兩個都拎咗返酒店食。
It says it's supposed to be cookies and cream. Like, you eat this, there's like bits of like hot cross bun type of situation happening. It's like the, you know, the raisin bun with like the cinnamon.
Why is it 咁涼?
It's a very weird. Okay, I think I just don't expect it. I thought it's like actual cookies and cream with like actual.
I kind of like expect this to be some sort of like wheat product, so I'm not that surprised. Okay, but like, I feel like it would be like a Biscoff adjacent oatmeal thing.
It's not Biscoff though. It's like. It's like
I think
cardamom. Yeah. Cardamom bun嗰啲嘢.
Are we just giving up on spoons and eating with our fingers?
And whatever jam that is, I'm pretty sure it's like cranberry. It says cranberry, right?
I hope.
哇，有啲太
甜。
太公啊個味 I don't know. 佢唔係甜，佢係太
Just like the spice.
It tastes somewhat artificial. It's not great. Yeah, no. Yeah, maybe for stirring it will kind of like 中和 a bit of that random spice that we're tasting over here. But then like, it's not. I do not expect that. Oh, it says cookies and cream though. Where's the cookies? It tastes like bread. It tastes like hot cross bun.
I think that's like the whole deal with Estonia. Like everything is grain and wheat.
Yeah, even the dessert is grainy and wheat.
That's like the other one. That's like, it's like so
we try this as well.
Okay.
So this is Sommelina, but the Estonia is Manavant.
Be careful, don't spill it on the bed.
There's like pink slushies.
呢個好似我以前整牙嗰陣咧，佢咪有個嘢俾你托住，然後佢印你牙模嘅。呢個同我牙模一模一樣。
嗰啲 candy floss 俾你。
我想問下，
好似牙膏味。Oh, like really sweet. It's like quite nice. It's like
我喺邊度聞過？
係好似有啲係糖嘅味咯，我覺得肯定係。
啊！我知道呢個係咩啦，你等陣。
咩？I think it's like teeth floss or something.
唔係。
What the heck？ 你有個嘢係咁樣嘅味㗎。
係。卸妝膏，你可以聞下，我覺得好熟口面。
都係放色。我驚食錯嘢㗎。
係咪一樣
？Yeah， 嗰啲唔知乜鬼咩 cranberry flavour 嘅 artificial shampoo 咁樣。
呢個係我嘅卸妝膏。
咦？乜鬼啊？仲一俾人養添啊！但係撈埋一齊食都我唔知食緊啲乜。咦？哇！可能啦，佢個唔知乜鬼，係咯，唔知乜鬼 flavour 咩 regulator 我都唔知寫緊啲乜嘅真。
我唔知我
都唔知嗰啲 berry flavour 係咪 berry flavour 咧？
我唔知我買嗰陣佢就同我講紅色係潔淨或者 something， 即係有咩黑色係深層，黑色係深層潔淨，然後紅色係普通唔係保濕或者 something。可能呢個都好保濕。
洗潔精味啊！我覺得洗係啊，我問到媽屎嚟㗎，唔係可能唔係食嘅，係咪放喺個雪櫃度？跟住我哋攞錯咗。
試下。
And Google Translate is wrong。好似嗰啲乜鬼大菜糕嗰啲咁嘅。
哦，佢個質感同我個嘢唔同，點咁多？我唔中。
I don't want to finish this entire thing。
我唔中意佢食落同我聞住我陣卸妝膏嗰陣味一模一樣嘅呢種感覺。
It's我覺得係大菜糕咯。
即係如果我食我嘅卸妝膏，我覺得會呢個味道。
Yeah， 我覺得係大菜糕啦。
真係好似。
係大菜糕啊！我覺得係大菜糕，但係唔知咩大菜糕好多 artificial flavouring 㗎嘛，咁呢個就係卸妝膏。Semolina。Yes。
Cream semolina 唔知咩 mousse。
This is actually disgusting.
I think it's not that bad.
It's okay, but I wouldn't want to eat that.
I don't think I can eat that big of a tub.
I don't think I would actively want to eat it. Like I wouldn't like buy it again.
At least we tried it.
Manna. I think it's wheat, right? Yeah, it's meat. Salmonella is wheat product. 跟住佢溝埋一個整一個 gel 嘅加啲唔知乜鬼 flavouring 啊 regulator 啊，跟住佢呢次就加到啲唔知乜鬼 berry raspberry flavour it's supposed to be. Yeah, tastes like 大菜糕 but in toothpaste flavoured. Not really toothpaste, it's just artificial flavoured. Like, it's not great.
This is not the worst thing I've tasted on a trip.
What have you tasted?
I've been in Bath and I tasted Bath 溫泉水. They let you taste it in the...
You eat it?
No, you drink it. It's so bad.
Is that what you're supposed to do?
Yeah.
Is it drinkable?
I think so. That's why they let us drink it.
上面
佢上面嗰啲係 wheat 嚟㗎嘛？
係，但係我覺得有啲 coffee-like flavour，like 嗰啲唔知乜鬼 brown flakes。
我覺得都係 wheat 嚟。
但下面嗰個咩 jam 嚟㗎？我真係唔記得咗。
佢係咪話 cranberry？
係，
得唔到。
Yeah, the jam's the better part. It has like
唔係，我唔覺得有好到。
但係佢上面嗰
佢諗
啲，
酸縮味。
佢個 aftertaste 好奇怪。
我覺得係好乾淨，好似入面洗完地。
洗隻口，跟住有啲一粒粒嗰啲係 wheat 嚟嘅，但係我覺得上面嗰啲係有啲係嗰啲我唔知 coffee 嘅 aftertaste。But I don't actually know what coffee。
係咪啲 wheat 烘過？
烘燶咗啫嘛。
佢係嗰種烘焙嘅味道。
烘焙嘅味道，嗰啲咩麵包種嘅味道啊？
我覺得如果呢個同個大菜糕比，我會食嗰個化妝大菜糕。
Really? I prefer this one over the 化妝大菜糕。但化妝大菜糕 taste a bit too artificial。但呢個 OK 啩，因為酸酸地啦。我都再試下個化妝大菜糕。
可能用羹食會唔同。
羹食有啲唔同嘅味，係因為頭先我手指食呢個其實 OK 我覺得。
但係用羹食好似爭咁啲咁樣。
係啊係啊，個羹食加。
係咪羹嘅問題咧？
係咪因為我哋食完呢個再食嗰個，跟住嗰個味有啲太 overpowering，個味有啲重疊咗，因為睇下先。
不咁大嚿。
呀，我有啲後悔。
除咗佢個感覺令我覺得好似食緊自己啱化妝膏之後冇咩問題，即係如果我啱化妝膏唔係咁味，我覺得應該會更加 OK。
但呢個都有啲 aftertaste，有啲好啲苦地
嘅。點解嘅？
係咯，我哋係咪食得太甜啊？頭先。
點解？我啲牙好似喺度震。
唔係，
即係我條脷嘅後面開始有啲不愉快嘅感覺。
有啲雜質啊，所以跟住仲好似。成條脷好似有啲
地，
係啊，有啲苦味啊，跟住
啲人奶 game 嗰個 cartridge 係咪咁感覺？
我可能係咁，跟住我想洗一條脷嚟嘅。
我都冇食過洗脷。
好唔明，好奇怪，咦？
嗰啲 Estonian people 見到呢條片一定會好嬲。
我哋話
好啦，呢 part 我唔想英文字幕。
唔習慣，我哋唔習慣呢度嘅飲食文化啫嘛，我哋唔習慣佢呢度咁口味啫嘛，人哋唔同人有唔同。
我覺得佢個調味係 OK，但係如果佢個 aftertaste 可以拎走係，佢個拎走咗 aftertaste 我係會食嘅。
係咯，拎走 aftertaste OK 嘅，因為就同即係普通糖咁樣嘅味啦，基本上。咁但係佢 aftertaste 真係好苦，我都唔知咩嚟啊！想洗，我真係想洗一條嘢有啲。
咁你仲食？
我見到一度想食嘅問題係，
我攞去洗士多啤梨。
為
咗彌補我哋條脷，我咁洗咗啲士多啤梨。好在有買呢個。
因為有啲甜啊，冇 aftertaste。
點知呢啲士多啤梨係冇味嘅，食落好似飲緊水咁嘅。同情我嘅遭遇嘅話，請訂閱、分享、讚好同留言。